बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू हार्वर्ड एकेडमी। इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017 के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के हवाले से आज की हमारी क्विज़ चैप्टर सेकंड पे हम बात करेंगे, लेकिन इससे पहले आपको बताते चलें कि कंप्लीट असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर की जॉब्स की प्रिपरेशन के लिए आप हमारा ऑनलाइन कोर्स जो कि हार्वर्ड एकेडमी की वेबसाइट पे हम ऑफ़र कर रहे हैं उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप सीमलेस कंप्लीट हर चैप्टर की हर सेक्शन की डिटेल के साथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग और उसके जो पॉसिबल MCQs हैं वो हम आपको अवेलेबल कर रहे हैं, जो कंप्लीट कोर्स से ही आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। सो आज हम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और चंद देखिए क्वेश्चन है, ये कंप्लीट कवर सिलेबस नहीं करता और इन्हीं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर रिलाई करना काफ़ी नहीं होगा। सो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर सेशन के हवाले से ये है। ये एटलीस्ट ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, अगर आपने पहले चैप्टर सेकंड कवर कर लिया हुआ है तो आपको इन क्वेश्चन के बारे में पता होना चाहिए और आपकी जो ग्रिप होनी चाहिए। सो सेक्शन बाय सेक्शन MCQs और कंसेप्चुअल लर्निंग के लिए जो आप हमारा असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से कोर्स को भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। सो चैप्टर सेकंड के हवाले से पहला क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टेटमेंट को रीड करते हैं। हु रेगुलेट्स द प्रोसीजर ऑफ इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ इट्स फंक्शंस? ऑप्शन ए पार्लियामेंट, बी सुप्रीम कोर्ट, ऑप्शन सी द कमीशन इटसेल्फ, ऑप्शन डी फेडरल गवर्नमेंट। राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी द कमीशन इटसेल्फ। Question number 2. Decisions of the Election Commission are based on option A consensus only, option B decision of the majority members, option C decision of the commissioner alone, option D opinion of the president. Right option is option B decision of the majority members. Question number 3. Statement: if the commission members are equally divided in opinion, जैसा कि 2-1-2, the matter is option A referred to parliament, option B placed before the Supreme Court, option C referred to the full commission, option D decided by the commissioner only. Right option is option C refer to the full commission. Question number 4. Under section 4, the directions of the election commission are enforceable throughout Pakistan as if issued by option A federal government, option B high court, option C supreme court, option D national assembly. Right option is option B high court. Question number 5. Which authority is bound to render assistance to the commission in discharge of its functions? Option A only federal government, option B only provincial governments, option C all executive authorities in federation and provinces, option D judiciary only. Right option is C all executive authorities in federation and provinces. Question number 6. Posting or transfer of officials connected with an election after announcement of the election program requires prior approval of option A Prime Minister, option B Chief Justice, option C the Commission, option D Governor of the province. Right option is the Commission. Question number 7. Statement that the Commission may delegate its power to option A President only, option B Commissioner, members or officers of the Commission, option C Chief Justice only, option D any political party. Right option is option B Commissioner, members or officers of the Commission. Question number 8. Benches of the Commission are constituted by option A federal government, option B Chief Justice, option C commissioner, option D parliament. Right option is option C जो कि है commissioner. Question number 9. A provincial government may requisition vehicles for election duties upon request of option A Supreme Court, option B the Commission, option C Provincial Assembly, option D political parties. Right option is option B the Commission. Question number 10. Compensation for requisition vehicles is determined by option A Chief Election Commissioner, option B Provincial Government or Requisitioning Officer, option C High Court, option D District Returning Officer. Right option is option B Provincial Government or Requisitioning Officer. Question number 11. If women voter turnout is less than 10% in a constituency, the commission may option A cancel women's votes, option B presume restraint and declare the poll void, option C declare results final, option D refer matter to parliament. Right option is option B presume restraint and declare the poll void. Question number 12. Appeal against the Commission's declaration of a poll void can be made to option A High Court, option B Federal Government, option C Supreme Court, option D Election Tribunal. Right option is option C Supreme Court. Question number 13. The Commission has the same power as the High Court to punish for option A fraud, option B bribery, option C contempt of court, option D corruption. Right option is option C contempt of court. Question number 14. Expenditure of the Election Commission is charged upon option A Provincial Consolidated Fund, option B Federal Consolidated Fund, option C Annual Development Budget, option D Cabinet Division. Right option is option B Federal Consolidated Fund. Next is question number 15. Training and public awareness program of the Commission particularly emphasizes participation of option A women, non-Muslims, disabled person and transgender person, option B only government servants, option C only students, option D only political leaders. Right option is A women, non-Muslims, disabled person and transgender persons. Question number 16. Under results management system, presiding officer must send result snapshots to option A Parliament, option B Returning Officer and Commission, option C Supreme Court, option D Provincial Government. Right option is option B Returning Officer and Commission. Question number 17. Statement है if provisional results are incomplete by 2 AM after polling day, the returning officer must option A cancel polling, option B send consolidated results available till then to the Commission with reasons for delay, option C wait until full results are ready, option D forward results to Supreme Court. Right option is option B send consolidated results available till then to the Commission with reasons for delay. Question number 18. The Commission must prepare a comprehensive action plan at least how long before general election? Option A 2 months, option B 3 months, option C 4 months, option D 6 months. Right option is option C 4 months. Question number 19. Statement an aggrieved person may file a complaint to the Commission within how many days of a decision or action? Option A 3 days, option B 7 days, option C 14 days, ऑप्शन डी 30 days. Right option is option B 7 days. Next है question number 20. The commission must submit its annual report within how many days after end of each calendar year? Option A 60 days, option B 90 days, option C 120 days, option D 180 days. Right option is option B 90 days. आज का सेशन जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पर हमने डिस्कशन की और इसमें से कुछ प्रीवियस पेपर्स में क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो चुके हैं, इस हवाले से ये सेशन यहाँ पे इख्तिताम करते हैं और आपको अगेन बताते चलें कि हार्वर्ड एकेडमी के वेबसाइट के थ्रू आप ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एनरोल हो सकते हैं और कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन के सेशन को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू। खुदा